Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add coupons code in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So now make sure that you are in the admin panel for your website. After that, we need to do some changes in our WooCommerce extension or plugin, and we will be able or we will need to enable first our coupons. So basically here we can already find the coupons, and if you don't have them, you might just go to the settings and then you will need just to search for the coupons and the marketing area, etc. So here I already have my coupons that are enabled, and basically you will need just to go to coupons, and now we will need simply add a new coupon. So as you can see, this is just a wizard, so I can create my first coupon, etc. And there are also some type of coupons that you can find them, so you can have some simple settings. So you can choose on anyone, so you can generate in simple ways your coupons. So here I'm just going to add a new coupon, and basically now you can add all the things that you want. The coupon code, you can just generate a new one, as you can see, and you give it a description. Of course, you can add a percentage discount or a fixed uh, cards discount. You add the coupon amount, you can add some restrictions, usage limits, etc. And after that, you will need just to click on publish, and now you can use your coupon. So simply, this is how you can add coupons to your uh, WooCommerce store. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.